This knife is blank cutting plastic. Used for, used to. Both have the same meaning. The only difference is for comes with an ing form, but to comes with the base verb without ing. Here we have cutting with ing, so the answer is used for. This knife is used for cutting plastic. And you can say to cut plastic. The pen is used for writing, ing, or to write, the base verb. I might blank late today. I have a lot of work. Be, being, to be. Might is a modal verb. May, might, can, could, will, would, must, should. These are all modal verbs and they're followed by the base verb. Play, not playing. Go, not to go. Visit, not visited. These are the base verbs which we use after the modal verbs. So the answer here is be, not being, not to be. You answer this one. We should blank up early in the morning. Get, to get, getting. Remember that should is a modal verb. What's the answer then? Let me know in the